My name is Bob Scaringe from Mainstream Engineering, manufacturer of QwikProducts. Yeah, actually we have 3 or 4 new products, but the one that's really the hot one that everybody really likes is we've got a product that if you have a blown ECM motor, and normally you'd have to send it back to the OEM and wait 3 or 4 days for a new one to come in and spend maybe $800 or $900, we have a replacement board that you can use a permanent split capacitor motor. So it really is a solution that's right on the truck. You don't have to go back to the parts store, so it's a really nice product. You know, the problem that our customers, we deal with a contractor who has to go out to the home, and a lot of times the challenge he has, he goes out there and he can't fix the problem. He has to take apart, go back, mail it back, and the customer is hot. They want a solution right away. And that sometimes means he has to jerry-rig a solution, get the part, come back, take the jerry-rig out, put a real part back in, and it's cost him a lot of time, and he has to bill the customer for that, and they get upset. That's why we call them QwikProducts. We try to have products that they can quickly solve a problem and get on the road again to the next job without charging them too much. So we have like an acid test kit that'll test for acid in 2 seconds. So if there's an acid problem, they didn't have to bill the person for a lot of money. They can test it, your system's fine, go on to the next thing. Well, I'm an old guy, you know. I've been doing refrigeration since 1970. I was fixing units when I was in college. And it's just a lot more technology, a lot more sophisticated technology. And sometimes the electrical engineers or the guys that are designing this sophisticated electronics forget that it has to go in a rugged field, that it's not working in a laboratory. And so sometimes while you have all that sophistication, you really wonder, is it necessary? It's nice to have, but it makes my system less reliable and it puts the techs in a tough spot. Well, of course we like to meet distributors because they distribute all our products, but our ideal customer at the end of the day is the tech. And we love an educated technocrat, a guy who eats up the technology, understands what he's doing, can understand the nuances of the product, why our product is different from somebody else's, as opposed to someone who doesn't dig into it. So it's sort of like a techie kind of tech who really likes the science of why it's doing what it's doing. Well, it's the most economical way for everybody to get together, right? It's the easiest way for a tech to see all the technology. It's the easiest way for us to reach every wholesaler because they're all going to be here. We can go fly by plane to every wholesaler. Maybe we'll see 2 a day. So how many are we going to see? 700 a year. Here we're going to see that many easily in one day. They're coming by, and this has been a great show. I mean, it's been unbelievable. They're not in the industry if they haven't been here. Seriously, if they haven't been here, they're not talking to the people in the industry. They're on the outside looking in. You really have to be here.